Alright guys, so in day one I brought you guys my new face wash routine, and I told you there was 10 days in this face wash routine. So this is day 5, and
tomorrow is not free. We buy into tomorrow somehow mentally in between the earth. We buy into tomorrow. Tomorrow isn't free. You have to continue to be you and deliver whatever you're delivering so the world can allow you to be here, right? Imagine an angry world. Would you last?
my day 1 morning routine. So I'm gonna show you my day 5 night routine for my face. So I'm gonna show you guys my face. I do have a pimple right here, but we're focused on the hyperpigmentation that was happening really bad. So I'm gonna show you guys this side too. So with that, I do see a difference in my face. Now, I'm not saying that it's a huge difference, but I do see the spots that I was so worried about on this side really lightening up. I don't struggle with acne, so this is a struggle for me, finding the right products and finding stuff that is going to help my face move faster, because they say it takes a year for dark marks to go away. I don't want to wait a year. So with that being said, I am going to show you guys my nighttime routine. It's a little bit different than my daytime routine, just by one product. And I want you guys to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. If you guys see a difference, leave it in the comments. Let me know. Let me know if you guys don't see a difference. Let me know if you have any products that you guys want me to try for my face that will help me with the hyperpigmentation, or let me know if you're trying these products and if it's working for you. I'm gonna leave my first video down below for those of you who are new to my channel. I've already done the walkthrough of this video. I just want you guys to see my day 5 night routine. It just differs by one product. I use one product less. Then I'm going in with this. I'm gonna link the video down below so you guys can see the full product. I will also leave the name of the products down below and where I bought them for you guys, so that way you guys, if you want them or you want to try them out, you'll have the link to where I bought it from. And this is for hyperpigmentation. The product that I'm using right now is for hyperpigmentation, so all the dark marks on my face, I'm targeting those. I'm trying to get all one color face. Last one, I'm not going in with this. This is only for the daytime routine because it has SPF in it. So it's really just for daytime. There's no need for me to put it on at night. You guys, this is after the white part fell off on this. And then this is after on this side. So tell me what you guys think. Do you guys see a difference or no? I still have one more. I still have 5 more days. And then I'll bring you guys my day 10 video. So stay tuned for that. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next skincare video. Thank you for watching.